Ho, ho, ho! Santa Van here with my little elf Max fan. Black Friday round one. As you can clearly see, we're bringing out the big guns this year. The kid's got the elf hat on.
Yeah, I haven't worn it since like 4th grade. Doesn't really fit as well as it did. I don't know, what was that?
Seems
8 years
to be
ago.
Seems to be on there just fine. And I looked for that vest that Nana made you with all the glue glitter stuff on it. That belt, that would have been sweet making you put that on. But unfortunately, I could not find it. This is going to be holiday video number one. So basically, I'm going to torture you like 3 times at least.
Well, let's give it a shot.
Three times at least. Every one of the brands is turning on their sales at different times, and we want to talk to you guys about them. We got some pretty cool ones here right now, so we're gonna come out of the gate.
Let's give it a go
with some good shit.
Go for it.
All right, one I'm pretty pumped for, and we stocked a lot of these. This is the Cortec Tracker wheeled gear bag. It's got a handle, the whole 9, 3 pockets. I did a whole video on this thing. Heavyweight material, good quality, $79.99. Everybody needs one of these.
So next up is a Cortec Tracker helmet bag on
$19.99 for this.
On sale for $19.99.
Yes!
This is solid if you just need a helmet bag to fit, motocross helmet, street helmet, truly, anything.
Just protect your helmet. Take care of your stuff, dude. That's what I always tell you. Next up is going to be the Day Tripper gear bag. This is a non-wheeled version from our friends at Cortec. This price is absolutely insane. $29.99.
Gotta stop screaming, dude.
So I can do whatever I want. I'm the boss. Plus, I got the Santa hat on. You're the elf. You're the underling in this one, dude.
So next, we have the Noru Moto Sock 3-pack on sale for $15.99. He didn't scream this time, thankfully. Solid socks, anytime you want to go ride moto or truly
Who
anything.
doesn't want moto socks in a 3-pack?
Super long.
$15.99. It's insane. Next up, Cortec Adrenaline Race Boots. $139.99 is an amazing deal for a nice pair, right? This isn't some super high-end technical boot, but it's a nice boot that's going to be well under $200. That sale starts now. There's another pair of boots from Cortec that we don't have here on the table. It's one step below this, and they are what?
The Apex RR Air Boots on sale for
$97.99. Unbelievable pricing for an excellent pair of entry-level sport bike boots. What's your favorite helmet, dude? Favorite helmet brand?
All Shoei helmets are my favorite helmets.
100%.
So we have the Shoei VFX Evo helmet. This is what I use to ride motocross. My personal helmet here for sale.
Save 15%.
Solid. You go next, dude.
RF 1400, probably the greatest ever street helmet in the history of helmets from our friends at Shoei.
15% off.
Yes. Let's say you want a flip-up helmet. There's no better one than the Neotech 2, is there?
15% off!
Yes! See, the Christmas spirit is alive and well here at SportbikeTrackGear.com. Another excellent option for the street. This is the GT Air 2 from our friends at Shoei. This thing has an internal drop-down sunshade. It is also important to mention, which I'm sure you've already forgotten, that both of these helmets are compatible with the Sena SRL2, which was designed to fit directly into either one of these helmets. That communicator system is on sale now. Save 10%. I got a lot of energy right now, dude.
Too much energy, dude.
It's the C4.
It's the C4.
C4 energy drink. You want energy? Go get a C4 energy drink. They're going to make your face tingle, and it's amazing. I recommend the Blue Raspberry. Nice pair of gloves here from our friends at Alpine Stars. These are the Booster
V2 gloves on sale for
$59.95.
Not much energy there. I don't know what happened.
I'm trying to bring it back home.
Trying to bring it back.
Last, but certainly not least, behind us we have Hot Body's Race Bodywork full 4-piece kits from $4.49. Get yours ordered. Get ready for your next race or track day season. As I stated previously, this is the first video we're going to do.
First video.
First time you're wearing that LFAT, but not the last.
Not the last.
Not even close. I might make you wear it at home for Thanksgiving.
No thanks.
No, you have to be thankful on Thanksgiving. It's like a law.
And you got to use your little bell also.
Oh, you know I'm going to get a lot of use out of this bell. It's also important to note the young man is now in the sales department. You can reach him at maxvan@sportbiketrackgear.com.
So 888-784-4327, and my extension is 248.
248. So let's say that you're looking for a deal on something that we don't seem to have a deal on. Feel free to call extension 248.
Yep.
10 to 6.
We'll get you all
Monday
set.
through Friday.
Eastern Standard
And
Time.
see what the Vanimal can do for you.